Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm doing a Kitana for Mortal Kombat makeup look. For this cosplay makeup, I wanted to do more of a glam makeup towards her. So I had the blue eyelashes, they were mixed in with the black eyelashes, pretty blue eyeshadow, and just more of a glam, pretty look with all the highlighted area points that I added with the makeup. Let's get started on the Kitana makeup. All right, here we go. The first thing you want to do is grab your moisturizer and apply all over your face. Grab your eyebrow pencil. I use Anastasia Beverly Hills, and go ahead and fill in your eyebrows naturally. Grabbing my MAC concealer in a lighter shade, I'm going to go ahead and go around my eyebrow to shape out my eyebrow. I'm going more for a skinnier eyebrow look. With that, I am going over my natural hairs with my concealer to kind of cancel them out to make more of a skinnier eyebrow shape. Using my beauty sponge, I'm just tapping the concealer into my skin to make sure it's all evened out around before I apply my foundation. Grabbing my foundation, I'm going to go ahead and start applying all over my face using my foundation brush. Grabbing my P. Louise in white, we are going to go ahead and apply right underneath your eyebrow. Using a very slim angled brush, I am carefully lining my bottom eyebrow with the white. I find it much easier to go downwards with the brush to give more of a definition around your eyebrow. Now, only using your finger, tap the product into your skin only at the top area. Oh my god, this Alexa Stone palette from Revolution is seriously the best. This white is so gorgeous. Add the white on top of the white pigment from the P. Louise, and it just gives you that gorgeous glow, that highlighted glow that any angle you look, the light is going to reflect off and make it look super pretty and sparkly. Grab your eyeshadow primer. I'm using Too Faced. Go ahead and apply it on top of your eyelid. This is where your eyeshadow is going to go. The primer makes your eyeshadow last longer and also give any color you apply on top of it way more pigment. Grab a pretty blue eyeshadow. I'm using Morphe eyeshadow in this color blue from Lisa Frank. Using a fluffy eyeshadow brush, I am applying the blue eyeshadow all over my lid. I added a second coat of blue here onto my eyelid with the eyeshadow. I just love how the blue looks. It is so pretty. Grab a blending brush and blend the white and the blue together at the very top. When you do this, the white eyeshadow actually makes a pretty blue sparkle in between. Grab the white eyeshadow and place it on top of the blue all over your lid to create that beautiful sparkle. Grab your favorite concealer. I'm using the same MAC concealer. It is a shade lighter than my foundation, and I'm applying that on these focal spots around my face here. What this does, it gives you a brighter appearance underneath your eyes. Using the beauty sponge, go ahead and blend in the concealer with your foundation. Now it's time to contour your nose. Grab your concealer. Again, this one is super light compared to my foundation level color. Using the Beauty Blender sponge, just tap in the product onto your nose lightly. Using my Hoola bronzer, I'm using a very small eyeshadow brush and just going along my nose with the product and underneath my nose. I actually find it so much easier to use an eyeshadow brush on my nose when I contour. I feel I have more control over the product. After your nose, go ahead and contour the rest of your face. It is baking time, so I am using the Fenty baking powder in the color lavender and placing right underneath my eyes. I also apply the baking powder right onto my nose on the side of it, just to make sure everything is intact. Make sure you're wearing a shirt that you don't really care much about because the powder is going to go everywhere. And I apply it onto the top of my lip and the side of my cheek area. Grabbing your favorite eyeliner, I am using this one here. It has a very pointy point on one end. Go ahead and apply onto your eyelid. And I like to use a very winged out look effect. You can do a small wing if you like. I just like to use the dramatic effect of the eyeliner. Looking straight into the mirror, I am creating that line to make sure that my cat eye can be seen when I look straight ahead. Using the other end of the eyeliner, I am going to fill in the gap to create that black wing look. Using a big brush, I am wiping off all the excess of the white powder, and you can already notice that my skin looks a lot more brighter. Using NYX Jumbo White, I am lining my waterline with the white. Also line right underneath your lashes. Grabbing a very small brush, I am getting the same blue eyeshadow, and I'm going to go ahead and line right underneath the white to make my eyes appear a little bit more bigger and brighter. I'm also bringing the blue right underneath my winged eyeliner. Using the same beautiful white eyeshadow, I am applying in between my eyes to give off the glowy effect. I am adding blush along this area of my cheeks. I'm more going towards more the top than in the middle. You can add as much blush as you want. I am adding a lot of blush and even onto my nose. I also added the white eyeshadow onto the bridge of my nose and the tip. Don't forget to highlight those cheekbones. It is time for the lips. I put some concealer onto my lips to make them a little bit more white and canceled out. I like to do this before I apply any lipstick. Using my lip liner, I am making an X right on top of my top lip. Then you're going to bring out the liner a little bit above your lip to make you have more of a bigger lip appearance. And wing it out a little bit at the ends. I'm going to make a U-shaped above the lips here so they don't look as pointy. I don't like that pointy effect. I want more of like a rounded lip. This is a trick I like to do. I draw a circle around my lips to make that perfect lip plumper kind of look. I don't know how to describe it, but this is what I do. And then I go ahead and get my kind of close to a shade of the lip liner and apply only where the liner is and fill that in. And also I fill the whole top in. Using the liquid lipstick, I am bringing the circle a little bit more in. Apply your mascara on the top only of your lashes. These are some of the lashes that I sell. I love these because they're half black and half blue, and they are so perfect for this look. Look how pretty it looks. It goes so good together. Now, let's go ahead and put on the wig and the cosplay and see how everything turns out.
Kitana wins. Flawless victory.
I went ahead and put a black wig on, and I actually made 2 braids in the front. The braids were in my face a little, but I actually like the way it turned out. Overall, I really enjoyed doing this tutorial for you for this cute, glamsy Kitana makeup look. I hope you use it in the future for a night out or for your Kitana cosplay. Thank you everybody for tuning in. Have a great day.